Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a trick about applying conditional formatting to entire row and column. It's very easy, practically it's very easy. You will see so many video, they will explain you, go to right option, go to left option, go to that cell, go to this cell, but I will give you a very short trick. No need to worry about it. See, this is my data. It's very simple. And for example, now in this column, we have the words football, basketball, and I want to make it the changes here that how many footballs are there, all should be green. So I will go to the conditional formatting, highlight cell, and then you have a certain option greater than, less than, between, equals to, and text that contains. Just click on this one. Then remove this all. And now select only the words you are looking for. For example, football. Okay. And go to the custom format and select any format you want. Make it bold. Okay. Okay. See, is it difficult? No, it's very easy. But on the other channels, you will find they will give you so many things to do this one. So again, I want to make it the basketball red color. I will go again and highlight cell rules, not greater than, not less than, not between, equals to, and that contains text. Okay, what text you are looking for? Remove this text what you have already and just click on basketball. What color do you want to give it? Okay, give it bold color, bold and yellow color. See, it is selected all information in all the cells what you are looking for. Okay, and the one more important thing, if you want to copy your data, and you will find that all the formatting is here with it, but you don't need this formatting. I'm undoing it, Control Z, and then I'm just going to right click on my PC, on my cell, and see here value. Just paste it as value. No need to go for further special paste or all this one. You can just simply copy and paste your data as a value. So this is the shortcut. Now the other point is, now I don't want this one. I want to highlight all this cell information if the football is there. Okay, it's very easy. No need to worry about it. Now I'm going to clear all the formatting in the entire sheet. Everything is clear now. I have to make it all this data highlighted. See, I highlighted my all the data. Now what I'm going to do, conditional manage rule. New rule. What is my new rule? Use a formula to determine which cell to format. Okay, this one, click on and click on the football. But make sure when you are clicking it, $2 signs are coming with one with F starting and one after F and before the two. These two are showing columns and rows. What you need before the $2 sign, you need to remove it because I don't want to read all the rows. I just want to follow my column. So I'm going to click on it and I removed this dollar sign and I am telling it to equals to inverted commas football football and just inverted commas. And what it will do, you will see that one. Now I'm formatting it. I'm giving it a green color. Okay, okay, and okay. That's all. This is the trick only which you can apply. This trick, the same trick you can apply on your numbers as well. Okay, so we will try on the numbers as well. I'm going to make it clear. Okay, clear entire sheet. Now I'm going to use the numbers. Okay, In this column you have the values. For example, you want wherever the number is above 29, it will make it green. Okay, how you do it? Just click on conditional format, new rule, what to determine, click it here, equals to this, and what to do, this dollar sign before 2, you need to remove it. And what you want to assign in, equals to, greater than, or equals to 27. Okay, what you want to do it? You want to make it all of them green. Okay, see what will happen now. It made the all those cells information made it green. It's very easy. There is no technical issue in this one. You can apply multiple conditions now. For example, now you have already conditions is there. Manage rule. Duplicate the rule. Okay, we duplicated this one, and I'm going to edit the rule. Okay, now what rule I'm editing? Okay, if the value is less than 27, less than 27, format it red. Okay, 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 see, it's very easy. There is no technical issue in that one, but it's very easy. No need to confuse yourself. You can do it easily. And the same methodology for copying and pasting of data, this one, just copy the data, go to the new sheet, and if you don't want these formatting, just right click and format as value or function formulas. See, if you have used the formulas, it will bring the formulas as it is. No need to worry about the formats what you had applied earlier. No need. This is very easy, very comfortable methodology which you have to adopt. This is my video for today, and if you liked it, please comment on my video, and if you are looking for some further improvement in this one, I'm waiting for your reply. Thank you very much.